Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I wanted to show you how to do the standing rocking push-up. You could probably also call this the standing Mike Tyson push-up, but I don't really know why you would do that because Mike Tyson probably doesn't do these at all. But anyway, the standing rocking push-up is kind of like a long strength movement that was invented by Dr. Leonard Schwartz, the creator of Heavy Hands. He had a couple of movements they called long strength, and this could be similar to one, although it's very different. But I'll just show you what it is. So you're gonna use a bench or something sturdy that holds you up, and you're gonna rock back, get into your hips, develop a good hinge, chest up, and then you're gonna rock forward, lower yourself down to a push-up, and push yourself back. So it is literally a standing rocking push-up. And this is just such a great movement. Helps you get into your hips, it ties your shoulders to your hips. It's a good way to strengthen your chest, your triceps, your shoulders. And you're rocking back and forth, so it's really good for your vestibular system. And if you wanted to go crazy, you could add head movements into it. So you could look down, rock back, look up, rock forward. You don't have to do that, but it's just something if you wanted to go crazy. But anyway, this is a fantastic movement. And if you do enough of these, or you do them for time, well then you will absolutely know that you've done enough of them because you'll feel this warming sensation all over your body. Anyway, this is a really great movement. It's really good for you. It's good for your nervous system. It's good for your cardiovascular system and your muscular system, although you really can't separate out systems. It's just good for you. Anyway, give that a shot, the standing rocking push-up, or you can call up Mike and tell him, hey, this guy's doing your standing push-up, but you probably don't do it. Anyway, all right guys, that's it for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.